This is the RHRSwag 60-inch LED light bar, fully illuminated here, even on this beautiful, beautiful blustery and well below zero temperature in North Dakota. Absolute must for any truck. Set up right now. As far as the install, vehicle specific plug and play kits are available, but the 60-inch is a perfect fit for any and all full-size trucks. And we have some smaller measurements to fit for your Rangers or your Colorados, Canyons, whatever you got, we can get you set up. A great feature of this particular setup are all of the functions. You get a brake light, you get a reverse, you get your turn signal, you get your running light. All of the regular functions you'll get out of your tail light, this guy will replicate. Another thing I absolutely love is this is not just any average, ordinary setup as far as a tailgate light bar. The construction is absolutely indestructible. It's a fully encased system, fully encased body, so you do not have to worry even on lovely cold days like this, wet and rainy weather, or scorching heat. This LED light bar will be around as long as your truck is. Check this out and all of our other great RHR brand accessories at RHRSwag.com.